Welcome to the channel. Today's video, yes, it's another camping product. Like I said, we're going to be trying to get back into camping again, and we purchased quite a few little camping products that we need to update our gear with. Inside our tent, we needed a little nightstand table, set our lantern on, maybe set our clothes baggage on. So let me show you this product here. Called Mission Mountain Ultra Camping Lightweight Table. There'll be a link in the description below if you're interested. Let's unbox this, see what's in there, and set it up. All right, let's open this box up. Okay, well, comes in a nice bag and some instructions. Easy. Let's just try to figure this out. All right. Nice little bag. All the parts come in it. Nice. Let's open this bag up. Got your table. All right. Basically, all you do is just open that up. There. And then isn't there? Okay. Yep. Okay. So you just stretch it out, open it up, and you take the one arm and you stick it, snap it down in there. There's another right there. Oh, Jesus. Okay. You just got to press down hard on it. There. Good. And remove your plastic film off of that one. Nice little lightweight. It only weighs about 2 pounds or so. Almost 3 pounds. Easy. There. What do you think? Okay. Anywhere from 80 to 100 pounds you can max on this. And then all you got to do is pry that up. you know, and then just comes right off. Put it in the bag. Bag is double lined, so make sure you get it in the. There you go. Just flip that up. Shrinks up. Put it in the bag. There you go. Quick little video. Mission Mountain foldable compact camping table. If there's something that you're interested in, link will be in the description below, like I mentioned before. Also, check out some other links in my description from all the other products that I've used in the videos up so far. If this channel's something that interests you and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think of the table? If you have any other suggestions of other tables that you've purchased, leave that in the comments. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.